The 1st of January is a very special day for everyone. It marks the beginning of a brand new year, and is a time for new hopes and dreams. On the 1st of January, I wake up feeling excited and hopeful. It's a fresh start, a chance to begin anew. I usually start my day by greeting my family, and wishing them a happy new year. One of the things I love to do on this day is to reflect on the past year. I think about all the good things that happened, the lessons I learned, and the memories I made. It's a time for me to appreciate the experiences I had, and the people I met. I also like to make resolutions for the new year. Resolutions are promises I make to myself about things I want to do better or achieve in the coming year. Sometimes I decide to read more books, be kinder, or learn a new skill. On the 1st of January, my family and I spend quality time together. We might go for a walk in the park, play games, or cook a special meal together. It's a day filled with laughter and joy. Sometimes, we visit our relatives or friends, to wish them a happy new year. It's a time to spread happiness and positivity. The evening of the 1st of January is also special. We might watch a movie together, or share stories about our day. It's a time to relax and unwind after a day of celebration. As the day comes to an end, I feel grateful for all the blessings in my life. I look forward to the rest of the year, and all the possibilities it holds. The 1st of January is a day filled with happiness, reflection, and excitement. It's a day that I cherish, because it reminds me that every day is a chance to make new memories and create a better tomorrow.